Make your holiday dishes taste like friends with our sous vide prime rib recipe. This cooking technique ensures you get a succulent prime rib every time. Hello and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we will be preparing our prime rib just like the French do, cooked in its own juices and topped with a delicious au jus. You'll definitely want to prepare this dish for every special occasion of the year. Before we get into it, please hit like, subscribe, and tap on that notification bell. And now, let's get cooking. First, let me explain that there are 3 quality levels of meat: prime, choice, and select. If possible, try to find a prime rated prime rib for this recipe. So now let's start by heating a large sous vide water bath to 132 degrees Fahrenheit. Then grab your 5-pound bone-in prime rib roast and let's season it by adding kosher salt and black pepper to taste. If you'd like, you may also use a boneless prime rib roast, but a bone-in one has way more flavor and you can save the bones for a bone broth later on. It's quite literally best of both worlds. Let's now place the seasoned prime rib in a vacuum sealer bag and use a vacuum sealer to remove the air and seal the bag. Once you have your sous vide water bath at 132 degrees, submerge the vacuum sealed prime rib and let it cook for 6 to 8 hours. I know it's quite a long time, but the results will blow your mind with how juicy and tender the meat will become. When the prime rib is done cooking, first preheat your oven to 500 degrees and then take out the prime rib from the water and remove it from the bag while reserving the cooking liquid to be used later. Use paper towels to pat dry the prime rib and remove excess moisture. Let's now place the prime rib in a roasting pan and roast it in the preheated oven until the exterior of the rib is seared and well browned, which takes about 10 minutes. While we have our prime rib roasting in the oven, let's prepare our au jus. I know, you don't have to say it, my French is amazing. I know. Simply add inside a saucepan 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and once it's melted, add 2 tablespoons of minced shallots and cook them until they have softened. Then inside a container, add 2 cups of low sodium beef stock along with 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix it up and then add into our saucepan with the reserved cooking liquid that was inside the sealed bag. Bring everything to a boil while continuously stirring and then reduce to a simmer until the au jus reduces. If needed, skim off any foam left and season to taste. Take out your sous vide prime rib from the oven and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing and serving along with the au jus. If you're serving on a large plate, garnish with sprigs of rosemary and serve alongside roast potatoes. Enjoy your perfectly cooked prime rib roast. For more delicious recipes like this juicy sous vide prime rib, be sure to check the description box below or head to our website at cozymeal.com/recipes. And of course, be sure to leave a like on this video and share this recipe with all your friends and family. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in our next video recipe.